The wait is almost over. Samsung is set to unveil its latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But before the official launch, let's dive deep into the leaks and rumors. Is this the phone we've been waiting for? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone promises to be a game changer, but does it deliver? Let's find out. The Achilles heel. The Achilles heel of the Samsung device is its battery life. Despite rumors of a 5,000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, this is seen as a letdown, especially given that other manufacturers like Oppo are reportedly offering 6,000 mAh batteries in their upcoming models. After 5 years without a notable battery upgrade, there's a strong expectation for better performance from Samsung. However, it's not all negative. The Snapdragon HG Gen 4 chipset promises improved efficiency, which could help offset the smaller battery size. Additionally, the new OLED display technology is designed to be more power efficient, potentially extending battery life further. Whether these advancements will sufficiently compensate for the battery's shortcomings remains to be seen, but they offer a glimmer of hope in balancing out the device's overall performance. Design and display. The S25 Ultra's design is generating excitement with its rumored ultra-thin profile of just 8.4mm. This sleekness is impressive, but it raises concerns about whether Samsung has compromised durability for the sake of aesthetics. Balancing a thin design with robust build quality will be crucial. The display is also anticipated to be a highlight. Rumors suggest Samsung is working on even brighter and more color-accurate panels, which could significantly enhance visual experiences. This would be a notable upgrade from the already impressive displays on their previous models. With these improvements, the S25 Ultra promises to deliver both a strikingly thin form factor and an advanced, high-quality display, setting high expectations for its overall performance and user experience. Camera capabilities. The camera system on the S25 Ultra is poised to be a major highlight, continuing Samsung's tradition of excellence. The device is rumored to feature a groundbreaking 200MP main sensor, complemented by a 3x optical zoom lens and a 5x periscope lens, promising exceptional versatility and detail in various shooting scenarios. However, speculation surrounds the fourth camera, leaving enthusiasts eager for more information. Key areas of focus for improvement include low-light photography and video stabilization. Users are expecting enhancements that will deliver clearer, brighter images in challenging lighting conditions and smoother video footage. Additionally, Samsung's expertise in computational photography suggests that the S25 Ultra will offer advanced features that leverage AI to optimize image quality and provide innovative shooting options. Given Samsung's track record in this field, the S25 Ultra is anticipated to set new benchmarks for camera performance and technology, delivering impressive results across a wide range of photographic and video needs. So, there you have it. A deep dive into everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra so far. While the battery situation is concerning, the potential improvements in design, display, and camera make this phone an exciting prospect. But remember, these are just rumors and leaks. We'll have to wait for the official launch to get the full picture. What are your thoughts on the S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. To help you decide if the S25 Ultra is right for you, we'll be doing a full in-depth review once the phone is officially released. Stay tuned for that. In the meantime, check out our previous videos on the Galaxy S24 series to get a better idea of what to expect. And if you're interested in other flagship phones, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you with the next one.